Introduction to Services Marketing. Services marketing is a specialized field within the broader discipline of marketing that focuses on the promotion, delivery, and management of intangible offerings that provide value and fulfill the needs of customers. Unlike tangible products, services are characterized by their intangibility, inseparability, variability, and perishability. This distinct nature of services necessitates a unique approach to marketing strategies and tactics. Characteristics of services. Intangibility. One of the fundamental differences between products and services is that services lack physical substance. They cannot be seen, touched, or held before consumption. This intangibility creates challenges in communicating the value of services to potential customers. Inseparability. Services are often produced and consumed simultaneously. This means that the customer is frequently present during the service delivery process, creating direct interactions between customers and service providers. These interactions play a significant role in shaping the customer's overall experience and perception of the service. Variability. Because services are often performed by individuals, variations in service quality can occur due to differences in employee performance, customer interactions, or other situational factors. Maintaining consistent service quality across different interactions is a challenge. Perishability. Services cannot be stored or saved for future use. If a service is not utilized at a particular time, the opportunity to provide that service is lost. Managing the balance between supply and demand is critical to avoid service gaps or overcapacity. Key elements of services marketing. Service product. Defining the core service offering, as well as any supplementary services and unique features that differentiate the service in the market. Pricing. Determining the appropriate pricing strategy based on factors such as the perceived value of the service, competitive pricing, and cost considerations. Promotion. Communicating the benefits of the service to the target audience through various marketing channels. This includes creating compelling messages that address customer needs and concerns. Place, distribution, deciding how and where the service will be delivered to customers. This could involve physical locations, online platforms, or a combination of both. People. Recognizing the crucial role that employees and service providers play in delivering a positive customer experience. Training, customer service skills, and employee engagement are essential for success. Process. Designing efficient and effective service delivery processes to ensure consistency, quality, and customer satisfaction. Physical evidence. While services are intangible, tangible elements such as facilities, equipment, and branding materials contribute to customers' perceptions of service quality and reliability. Challenges in services marketing. Customer expectations. Meeting or exceeding customer expectations is vital due to the intangibility and variability of services. Quality control. Ensuring consistent service quality across different interactions and personnel can be challenging. Customer involvement. As customers often participate in the service process, managing their roles and interactions becomes important. Service recovery. Addressing customer complaints and resolving service failures effectively is crucial for maintaining customer loyalty. Perishability management. Balancing supply and demand to avoid service gaps or overcapacity can be complex. Building relationships. Establishing long-term relationships and trust with customers is essential in services marketing. In conclusion, services marketing is a dynamic and multifaceted discipline that requires a deep understanding of customer behavior, effective communication strategies, and the ability to manage the unique challenges posed by intangible offerings. Successful services marketing involves creating memorable experiences, building strong customer relationships, and consistently delivering value to customers.